Hi everybody, I'm Lisa Wigfall here. Wanted to do a really quick video. I was in the store, I saw this. This is Just Egg. Just Egg, I buy their mayonnaise all the time, which is Just Mayo. And the company has changed their name and it's just called Just Inc. out of Canada. So let's crack it open. Directions, I do have to shake it. This actually, the main ingredient in here is mung bean. And mung bean is a plant-based source of protein. It is high in protein. It also has manganese in it, potassium, folate, and it's very high in fiber. Shake it up. I already have my pan on. It looks like egg. See? The instructions say just scramble like an egg, shake well. Just like an egg, I put a little oil. This is actually grapeseed oil I'm putting in. And I'm gonna scramble an egg. I'm allergic to eggs, so this is kind of exciting. I'm gonna pour, I guess I'm making about 2 eggs. So while that's cooking, I have some Himalayan sea salt. This actually is a very good, it contains a lot of minerals in it. Pink sea salt. A little onion powder. This is how I do my eggs. A little pepper, organic pepper. I'm gonna finish. Oh, wow. The proof is gonna be in the tasting, but hey, for those who have longed for eggs because you cannot eat them, or you're trying to cut down your cholesterol and you're cutting back, this is a good alternative. What do you think? It actually tastes pretty good. So this is Just Egg. For those of you who are looking to do vegan, semi-vegan, allergy sensitive to eggs, really try it. Just Egg.